In this video, I'm showing and explaining how I draw a portrait. Watch this video to the end to see what I did and how it turned out. I'm filling in the tonal planes as I see them in a photograph or from nature, the color spots that are sitting in front of me. Filling them in is a long and meticulous work, maybe not the most interesting because there's no detailed detailing of the smallest details. But when I do all this, I then move on to detailing the dark and light areas. After working on this, I move on to more saturated color spots. Throughout the face, each stage of the work looks complete. That is, if I have everything in faded colors, then it means it is on all planes, on all parts of the body. If I begin to move to brighter lines, then they are pretty much bright everywhere that will fade into light. What do I have done? But the lines is not done. That is, everything is flowing from one stage to another at the same time. Stage of development.
After working on the face, I move on to the colors. My idea was to frame this young man who is a gardener, a remarkable guy who shows growth in many areas. Well, okay, the video in general, as well as parts about him. Because he inspired me to make this portrait, I wanted to visualize his face, the halo, the colors that bloom in different times of the year. They vary in color. That is, I wanted to have such a circle around him, spaces of colors, that together form a chain of colors, that is, yellow, orange, red, pink, blue, green, and back to yellow. That's exactly what I did. Now you see I'm working on a magnolia, which is, by the way, currently blooming. I love this plant. It's quite fast. I don't show everything that I do because it really takes a lot of time. But the principle is the same everywhere, just like it is with the face. Just like in the magnolia blossoms. This is how I apply it. Then I blend. I also wanted to depict this guy's pet, his dog, which is always with him. Throughout all his work, planting and caring for the plants, it's always with him no matter what the weather, a real friend. Overall, I also wanted to include in this bright, pleasant, cute and heartfelt piece a wonderful human friend too. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I hope you liked it. It was interesting. Maybe you relaxed as much as I did, because for me, part of the work is not only hard work, but pure pleasure. I wish you all a good day and see you again. Don't forget to leave a comment.
Give a like, it'll let me see that this piece of work moved you, left some part of me in your soul.